used to wait, never. I've been hungry for affection, baby, best believe. Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by.
Hi my darlings, welcome back. This one we'll be doing it with RPG hair, the same with this beautiful unit, this Kinky Curl 18 inches wig, 180% density, to review and share with you guys, because we do not gatekeep here. I cannot have all the good stuffs alone. I have to always share with my people. So do watch this video and tell me what you think.
I've been hungry for affection, baby, best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you're there in my reflection. You're a part of me, the missing piece. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you.
About this wig from RPG hair is the fact that the lace is 100% HD. You can see the skin melts. See the way it's melting with my skin, and also the fact that the hairline is thin, pre-plucked, pre-cut, and also pre-bleached. So I really do not need to do anything on this wig, and the elastic band would help secure this wig, and that's it. I'm trying to tighten it so it's fitted on my head. That's the extra elastic band. I think that's tight enough, and there you have it. You can see the hairline well melted on my skin, and this wig texture is so fine, so fine, like very smooth and soft. Here is the wig straight out of the box. I didn't do anything, or I've not done anything to this wig. You can see the kinky curls. It's very kinky and very soft. This is 18 inches and true to length. You can see it's 18 inches and 180% density from RPG hair, of course. Nice, really nice. Personally, I can rock this wig like this, but I understand that it's not everybody that can. No, I can't rock this wig like this. I need to water it and like comb it out, but I really love the texture of this wig. You can see me pulling it and dragging it, no shredding at all. So I'm just gonna pull out more and see if we can work with this wig without water. It's not every hair that you put water, but this wig can work with water, don't get me wrong, but I'm trying to see if there's something else we can do if you can't find water wherever you are. The coils is so fine and very defined. See? Ooh, nice. I've not added water or anything to this wig. This is it dry. I'm only pulling on it to make it a bit fuller, and it's looking this fine. Now imagine when I put water in it or conditioner. I just have this amount of shredding because I added water to make it soft.
I've been hungry for affection, baby, best believe that you got my attention, baby, now I see you're there in my reflection, you're a part of me, and this is...
So this is the wig all combed out. I didn't comb it, I just used my fingers to pull the hair out with my mousse. So I'm just gonna use my contour stick to blend the hairline with my skin, and we're done. Here you have it, the final look, guys. Tell me what you think about this wig. This unit is the 𝐼𝐤𝐢𝐚𝐥 HD lace glueless wig, Kinky Curl, of course. I'm going to put the details on this wig in the description box, so kindly check it and get all the information you need on this wig. If you know you enjoyed watching today's video, please let me know in the comment section. This is just a very fast wear and go, easy for beginners like myself, because I know I've been installing a lot of wigs from RPG hair, but this particular one I would recommend 100% if you know you don't know anything about wig installation. This is completely glueless, no glue, no spray, nothing at all. This is also a wear and go wig, pre-cut, pre-plucked, and also pre-styled and pre-bleached, so it's pre-everything. That's what I would call this wig, and this is 180% density, but this feels softer and I don't know, feels like 250, 200 density, because this is very soft, believe me, and I really did not do much. I only used my mousse to define the coils to make it wet, but it can serve as a dry and wet wig, so you can style it and wear it whichever way you would want to. I would recommend this wig. I would always recommend wigs from RPG hairs because they're very good. They're very good. So guys, like I said earlier, details of this wig is going to be in my description box. Do check that. And one last thing, don't go anywhere. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and drop your beautiful comments on this wig. Let me know if you'll be getting this one. Okay,